Have you ever been in a situation where the phone rings and you think it's your phone, but it's someone else's iPhone ringing? Are you tired of using the same limited ringtones for your iPhone? In today's video, I will show you how to use any song and customize it uniquely as your iPhone's ringtone. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, you will need to have the app GarageBand on your iPhone. This app should be pre-installed on your iPhone, but if you don't have it, you can always go to the App Store to find and download it. So next, you will need to find the song to use as your ringtone. There are two websites that I use to find free royalty music, Pixabay and Bandsound. So once you have downloaded your song, go to the GarageBand app. Once you have loaded the interface, tap on the blue icon and then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Tap on metronome and count in, and then uncheck both count in and visual count in. Tap on done. Tap on the little plus icon at the far top right, select section A, then check the automatic option. Then tap on done. Then on the top left, tap on the three horizontal bar icons and tap on the loop icon on the top right. Here we can find the song that we just downloaded by tapping on Files and browse items from Files app. Find the song and tap on it. It will take a while to load on the screen. Once it's done, tap and hold on the song and then it brings you to this interface. And here you can drop the song onto the page. Here you can edit and trim specific parts of the song that you want to use for your ringtone. Once you're done, tap on the arrow down icon on the top left, then tap on My Songs. Here you can see the newly created song on the left. Tap and hold on this file and select Share. Select Ringtone. You may get a notification if your song is longer than 30 seconds. You can go back to fix it, then you can rename your ringtone title. Once you have successfully exported the ringtone, you can select Use Sound as Standard Ringtone. So now you can go back to your iPhone to change to this new ringtone by going to Settings, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, select Ringtone, and select your new ringtone. Done! I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.